Right, example 11, solve the linear system in word problem format. So first thing we want to do is read the word problem, and then after that we want to highlight key information. So we have Julio and Jack each improved their yards by planting hostas and shrubs. They bought their supplies from the same store. Julio spent 114 on 9 hostas and 6 shrubs. Jack spent 102 on 9 hostas and 3 shrubs. What is the cost of 1 hosta and the cost of 1 shrub? So now we highlight key information from this. What's important is that Julio spent 114 on 9 hostas and 6 shrubs, and Jack spent 102 on 9 hostas and 3 shrubs. And we're looking at the cost of 1 hosta and the cost of 1 shrub. So we can even underline cost of 1 hosta and the cost of 1 shrub. So my variables here that we're trying to find the cost of 1 hosta. So we'll call that H, and then we're trying to find the cost of 1 shrub. And we're calling that S. Alright, so we know that Julio will have an equation, and we know that Jack will have an equation. So Julio's equation, he has 9H, so 9 hostas, plus 6 shrubs, so 6S equals $114. And then Jack spent money on 9 hostas, so 9H, plus 3 shrubs, so 3S equals $102. Alright, so now figuring out what type of method to best use here. The best method would be elimination, since both of these coefficients in front of the H are the same. We just need to multiply one by a negative to cancel it out, to eliminate it. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by -1. So at the top, I still have the same equation, 9H plus 6S equals 114. At the bottom, I distribute the -1 to all the terms. So I have -9H minus 3S equals -102. And then I combine my like terms, so I have 9H minus 9H cancels out. 6S minus 3S is 3S. And then 114 minus 102 is 12. So I have to get S by itself, so I divide both sides by 3. I get S equals 4, and that's $4. So the cost of 1 shrub is $4. They're asking me the cost of 1 shrub, and they're asking me for the cost of 1 hosta too. So I have to plug the S back in to one of the 2 original equations. I'm going to plug it into let's do it to the bottom. So I have 9H plus 3 times 4 equals 102. I have to get H by itself, so I multiply 3 times 4 first. So I have 3 times 4 is 12 equals 102. Bring down the 9H. I subtract 12 on both sides. So I have 9H equals 90. Let's get H by itself, divide by 9. So H equals $10 as the cost of 1 hosta. So those are my 2